Hi, welcome back at Hawk Academy. Today I discuss about Microsoft Office Word format text, which is very important for making your file. Okay, let's start. Here you see that some text formatting. Okay, and today I try to understand you 5 items. Okay, and number 1 font, and number 2 font style, and number 3 font color, and number 4 text highlighting color, and number 5 change the cage. Okay, and first of all we discuss about font. What is font? Font is very important for Microsoft Office Word. Okay, and you see that here is available in font. This is home option. You see that, and you can click here in this pop-up. This is, you see that various types of font are available here, which is almost are in English. Okay, various types of font are available in here. So if we make any file, we should choose from any font here. Okay, and here first of all we should select this line and Control D. Okay, and we can see the text highlighting in font option. Okay, and now we press arrow button. Okay, and you see that various types of font are changes. Various types of font are changes, and we can select as your necessity. Okay, now I select this font. Okay, I select this font. Here you see an item of font are available, and now I try to change this font in bold. Okay, this is already bold, and this item design is bold. Okay, and now I try to this italic. Okay, you see that it's italic, and I can try it in underline. Okay, here you see that underline option. Okay, underline option, and you can do it, and you can change the underline design. Okay, this is underline design. You can change this, and this is double, this is single. Okay, you can do it, etc. And this is also highlighting option. You can do it. Okay, and you can large or small. Okay, or single line or double line. Okay, large or small, you can do everything. And here you see that also various types of design are available here, and you can use this design as your choiceable. Okay, I can choose this design. You see that this looks very pretty and nice, and okay, this is normal design. Now I try to show you font style. I already discussed about font style, and I can also discuss this. Here you see this is font, and this is almost our style. Okay, and you can large it or you can small it. Okay, and you can cross this, and you can underline this, and you can italic this. Okay, you also doing bold. Okay, this is font style. Now number 3, I show you how you color your font. Here you see that various color. Okay, this is font color, and you can write here, this is actually font color. Okay, and you see this is font color. Okay, this is, if you highlight your font in text format, you can change it from here. This is various color are available here. Okay, and if you also must highlight your color, and you can use this option. Okay, this is text highlighting option, this called. And first of all you have to select this text and go to, this is highlight text. Okay, you see that the texts are very much highlighting. Okay, the texts are highlighting very much. And now I'll show you how you change the text change. Okay, this is text case, and you can change the case of this text. First of all, select this and go to in here. Here you see that sentence case and lower case and uppercase and capitalize each word, toggle case. Okay, now I try to show you how you change this. First of all, lowercase. This is lower means every alphabet are lower format, and uppercase, every alphabet are uppercase, and this is capitalize each word. It means that every word first alphabet are changing uppercase. Okay, this is toggle case. Toggle case means every first word alphabet are small. So this is Microsoft Word text formatting, and hope that you understand very well, and let's stay with Hawk Academy.